Hello friends, today we will see some points of digital marketing. So let's get start. Content, ad formats and ad extensions, shopping campaigns, dynamic search campaigns, display ads campaigns. So let's start. First is ad formats, visual enhancement to search ad. The more permanently display information about your business, such as a phone number or your website domain in headline. These enhancements, which often appear in the advanced search result, can include additional content for your website or relevant third-party content. You can add enhancement manually or they add by your automated format system. The most common type of ad format are ad extensions. So example of ad extension include local extension and site links. Google automated formatting system can display additional information for your website or other relevant third-party content alongside your ad. Google automated system can also highlight relevant information in your ad to help people find your business more easy. Second is ad extension. Ad extension are additional pieces of information about your business like a phone number or link to specific page on website you can add to your ads. Ad extension are free to add to your ads which the usual change for any clicks you get including the ad extension can improve the visual of your ads which can lead more clicks and improve your returns of investment. Whether an extension savers depend on a number. Here are a few listed below. Advantages of ad extension. First is make accept of new product easily. Second, there are feedback benefit to the patent brand and organization. Next is shopping campaigns. Shopping campaigns to promote your online and local inventory, boost traffic to your website or local store and find better quality leads. Then we'll use campaigns to create ad on Google and around the web where customer can see you are selling. We call this placement shopping ad because they appear in different, more visual format. In construct a to a text ad which display text only. Shopping ad show user a photo of your product, push a title, price, store name, and more. These ads give you a strong sense of the product you are selling before they click the ad, which give you more qualified leads. Benefits of shopping campaigns. Shopping ads used to product attribute. You define a your data feed to show your ads in relevant search. More than one your shopping ad can appear of a user search and if relevant a shopping ad and a text ad can also appear at the same time. Next is what is Google Shopping Ads. A Google Shopping ad is a product listing advertisement that showcases your product with its price and photo. There are three major steps associated with running a successful Google Shopping ad campaign. First, optimize of product feed. Second, setting a win billing strategy. Third, structuring the campaigns properly. You can also add permanently price paints, review and more to increase conversion. Google Shopping ads shown up benefit origin or paid search listing. So you see then first then think the page. Next is dynamic search campaign. Dynamic search ads are easiest way to find customers searching on Google for precisely what you offer. Identify, advertise with the willing developed website or a large inventory. Dynamic search add you website content together. Your ads can help fill the graph of your keywords based campaigns. Dynamic search ad headlines and leading page are also generate your content for your website which keep your ads relevant of save your time. All the needs do add, create, describe with the dynamic search ads even will manage Google's ad account with many keywords can miss relevant searches. express daily getting ads, writing new product, or get out actually available of advertise websites. Dynamic search ads complement your existing keyword based campaigning to deliver more clicks and conversion with less effect. AdWords campaign contain thousands of keys can miss relevant searches. Existing daily getting ads written for a new product or getting our what actually available on your websites. Next is display ad campaigns. Display advertising is a method of attracting the audience of website, social media platform or other digital mediums to take a specific action. These are often made up of text-based image or video advertisement that encourage the user to click through a leading page and take action. Most of display and online advertising campaigns are changed on cost per click (CPC) base. That is, say every time that user on search engine click on your ads. Display ad building brand and top of mind awareness. Search ad. We can easily build search engine marketing strategy, but it is important to look at the data. Display ads. In other words, display ads should be used to build or maintain brand awareness and factual leading. Thank you.